She didn't say anything wrong. But the way she said it lived in your head rent-free for 3 days. You replayed it in the shower, while driving, at 2 a.m. And the worst part? She probably forgot about it 5 minutes later. Here's the thing, most people won't tell you. Getting bothered isn't a personality flaw. It's a signal. And once you understand what's actually happening in your brain, you can stop giving people power they never earned. When someone bothers you, your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, hijacks your thinking brain. Psychologist Daniel Goleman calls this an amygdala hijack. Your body floods with cortisol before you can even process what happened. This is why smart, composed women suddenly can't stop thinking about a passive-aggressive comment from Karen in accounting. The signs you've been hijacked? Replaying conversations. Rehearsing what you should have said. Feeling your chest tighten when you see their name pop up. If this sounds familiar, you're not dramatic. You're human. But there's a way out. Today, I'll share 2 powerful strategies that actually work. Not just breathe advice. Real psychological tools backed by research. Strategy 1. Name it to tame it. Neuroscientist Dr. Dan Siegel found that simply labeling your emotion, saying, "I feel disrespected," instead of just fuming, reduces amygdala activity by up to 40%. 40%! The moment you name what you're feeling, you shift from emotional brain to thinking brain. Next time someone gets under your skin, pause and ask, what exactly am I feeling right now? Annoyed? Dismissed? Underestimated? Name it specifically. But here's where it gets interesting. The second strategy is the one most women skip, and it's exactly why the same people keep bothering them. Strategy 2. Investigate the mirror. This one requires honesty. Often the people who bother us most are reflecting something we haven't resolved in ourselves. That coworker who brags constantly? Maybe she triggers you because you were taught to shrink. That friend who always cancels? Maybe her boundary setting reminds you that you struggle to set your own. Psychologist Carl Jung called this shadow work. The irritation is information. Ask yourself, what is this person showing me about myself that I haven't wanted to see? Quick recap. When someone bothers you, your amygdala hijacks your brain before logic kicks in. Strategy 1. Name what you're feeling specifically to calm the alarm system. Strategy 2. Investigate what they might be mirroring back to you. Both strategies shift you from reactive to powerful. Here's the truth. You will never control what people say or do, but you can become the kind of woman who doesn't hand over her peace to anyone who didn't earn it. And that's real power. If this helped, subscribe for more unspoken strategies. I'll see you in the next one.